it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us character coming out of a pumpkin. It's going to be super easy, simple, fun, and you're going to want to draw this, okay? It's going to be really, really fun. Well, you'll learn it. It'll be fun enough. It's only going to be 8-minute video, so it's going to be very, very short. So stay all the way to the very end of the video. By the end of the video, you will have a brand new skill, okay? Let's get started, all right? Before that, if you like learning how to draw your favorite characters, if you like learning, how to improve your drawing skills every day, getting a little bit better every day, hit that subscribe and click the bell notification. All right, let's get started. First thing I'm doing, I'm going to go on this side and I'm going to curve over here to the bottom of one side of the pumpkin, jack-o'-lantern, curve down here on this side. I'm going to throw some bumps underneath, right? So some U shapes till I hit the edge over here. You can also like pull that in a little bit if you want. Pulling up the lines here. And we're going to pull a line across over here. Alrighty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up a line up just a little bit, same here on this side. And I'm going to throw a curve out for a hand on one side, curve out on this side for another hand. And then I'm going to continue pulling up for the rest, pulling up over here for the head. So I'm going to continue up just a bit, kind of pulling in a little bit. Over here, same thing, pulling in. And then I'm going to hit the pumpkin, the top of the pumpkin first, all right? And I'm going to draw that. So the top chunk of the pumpkin, I'm going to go right here, curve, 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 right? It's going to be the floating part of the pumpkin, pulling up, in, alrighty. I'm going to just draw a line over there at the top. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw the stem of that pumpkin. So I'm pulling up over here, out, down. It's going to be like kind of like a flat top here. Line up, down, line up, line down. Curve line here, curve line here, or straight line here, straight line here, straight line here, straight line here. I'm sorry, I'm drawing the little, crevices of the pumpkin, right? The little, like, shapes, the texture of the pumpkin over here as well, down here. Right here. And I'm going to put a couple more just around the sides over here to make it obvious. They're always thinner lines because these are details, and that's kind of what we're doing right now. So let's go and draw the visor. It's going to be in just a bit. Since we're drawing it from the front, it's going to be very different. Curve on this side. Curve on this side. I'm going to go over here and slightly curve around the edge, slightly curve around the edge, and then merge over here. Go over to the top, curve over here. I'm going to draw the backpack in the back. It's going to be sticking out over here just a bit down. Over here as well, down. You can draw it like connecting back in there if you want to. It's like bottom. Okay, looking good. Gonna grab an orange marker here, and I'm gonna fill in this part in over here, like so. Fill in the bottom. Just kind of fill it in flat, but obviously orange because it's a pumpkin. This is a real cute one. I really think you can use this a lot on different Halloween stuff. I think this was adorable. Like so. I'm gonna grab the green, fill in the top there, the green, the what's it called, the stem. I'm gonna color that green. And I'm going to decide what color I want my crewmate. And I think I'm going to make him blue. So I'm going to pick this blue over here, and I'm going to fill in a lot of this as well. One thing you'll notice is the Crayola brand markers, when they go down, they don't go down as evenly as the other markers. The Crayola brand they're good enough, but they won't go down as flat as the other markers. The other markers will go down much flatter, like the Prismacolor and stuff like that. That's kind of why people buy them, because they just kind of dry like much flatter. You don't see as many of the striation lines as you do with the Crayola markers. But it's still good enough, so definitely use what you can. I'm just gonna fill it in relatively quick here, just so you don't have you guys waiting around too long. Let me know your favorite let me know your favorite Halloween movie, by the way. Mine is Trick or Treat. I think that's a great Halloween movie. I think it captures the spirit of Halloween really well. And then I'm gonna draw a line across here. And a line across here for kind of to replicate that shine that it would definitely, that crewmate would definitely have. Anyways, thank you so much. That's the end of the lesson. What I want you to do is, if you got any value from this, please, share the video, hit the like. Those are all free to do. And the thing you can do that would help us the most is to share the video on like a social network. It takes 2 seconds and it's totally free. There's a share button down below. Press share and it pulls up all the social media stuff, and you can just press it and completely auto share it to one of those. It helps out the channel immensely, like immensely, and it would just be amazing to do that, because I can see it when that happens. So I'm just like, whoa, somebody did this. Like, it's such a giant thing to be done. So thank you so much. I will see you next time, and we will hang out soon. That is the end, and more Halloween videos to come later this week, and I will see you guys, and I'm very excited, okay? Talk to you later. Stay spooky, and that is all right? Every time you draw a drawing, make it easy.